Here's what's making news on Roadshow. If you're gonna put fancy, skeletonized, 3D printed titanium brake calipers on a car that'll do damn near 300 miles an hour, then you better make sure they work flawlessly. Thankfully, that's what Bugatti just did, and they had the genius idea to not only film the test, but to release it to all us plebeians who will never get to mash the stop pedal on a big Bugatti. Ford is recalling 874,000 F-150 and Super Duty trucks over concerns that a faulty engine block heater could cause a fire. Basically, crud and water can work its way up the cable from the heater itself and cause corrosion, which can, in theory, lead to a short circuit. No es bueno, friends. Around half the affected trucks are in the US, and the other half is in the Great White North. It's a quick fix, thankfully, and Ford will start notifying owners soon. It may not be quite ready for public consumption, but Freightliner's EM2 electric box truck is now loose in the streets for testing. Well, to be more specific, one of them is. Penske is the lucky company to take delivery of it, and it will be assisting Freightliner in its data collection ahead of its scheduled 2021 release of the truck to the masses. The EM2 will do 230 miles on a charge, and Daimler says it'll fast charge to 80% in around 60 minutes. Find more of these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you next year.